This is an HDMI connector, and we use this for transmitting video signal around the place. For example, from a laptop to a vision mixer, across to a LED video wall or a projector. It's a really good connector because it holds a lot of data, including a range of resolutions, which means it's good for HD use or standard definition or sometimes 4K in certain applications. It also carries down a lot of audio channels as well, which is really useful for when you're sending audio and video together, or if you're doing a 5.1 surround system. The downsides of the HDMI connector, though, is its durability. While it's ideal for domestic use, for example, your home TV or a computer, it's not as tough as we'd like for professional applications. So for that reason, we'll generally only really use it when we're integrating things like laptops or domestic equipment with our professional systems. The other systems we might use instead of HDMI would be DVI, HDSDI, or fiber optic links for video transmission, and we'll cover them in separate videos.